Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to see your active sessions on Telegram. So let's start. First open the Telegram app. When the app is opened, tap on the three bars on top left corner. Then go to Settings. Then go to Privacy and Security. And under the Security section you will see Active Sessions. Now tap on that. And here you can see that my present device is now showing. And you can also scan QR code to use your Telegram account on your desktop or laptop. All you have to do is download the Telegram app on your desktop and laptop and scan the QR code. To scan the QR code on your desktop or laptop app, all you have to do is tap on the QR code here and then scan the code, and it will automatically connect with your laptop or desktop app, and you can operate and access all the features from your desktop and laptop app, and those sessions will show up on here. And that is how you can see your all active sessions on Telegram. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like, and see you in the next tutorial.